Hello friends. Welcome to Codes Tech. This is part 1 of password management system in C#. In this video we will create basic front end of our login page. First we have to create new project. After that creates a Windows form application. Select the form and change its text to password management system or anything you need. Now to change form icon click on the Now to change form icon click on the icon property and import file. It should be in .ico format. Now to change form icon click on the icon property and import file. It should be in .ico format. Now we have to change form background according to our theme colors. Change the form background color using background color property. Choose your required color. I am using maron color. Now add panel fron toolbox. Set its dock property to fill. Add another panel. Set its dock property to left. Add another panel and set its dock property to fill. Add another panel and set its dock property to fill. Now add picture box. Fill it in left panel. Click on Browse button to add image. Choose image and image mode your required one. Now add labels. One for welcome message. Now add labels. One for welcome message. Change its text and write welcome message. Now add 2 more for username and password. Now add 2 more for username and password. Select these all and set font property like size, color, etc. Select these all and set font property like size, color, etc. Now change text to username and password. Arrange them. Arrange them. Now we need text boxes. Drag one to copy. Arrange. Drag one to copy. Arrange them and set font property. Now work for full screen layout. Now work for full screen layout. Set their anchor property to all sides. For labels do the same step. For labels do the same step. Now we need buttons. For labels do the same step. Now we need buttons. For login and exit. Change text to login and exit. Set font property and color. Set appearance property. Set anchor property of buttons. Set anchor property of buttons. For login do bottom left. For exit button bottom right. Run and see the output. Run and see the output. This is end for this video. Rest will be in the next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.